This side still seems a little stuck. Okay.
Mom, what are you doing?
Look.
It's falling apart.
It's not falling apart. It comes apart.
Why?
Well.
You have to say for yourself, Mom.
Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can take these out.
Mom, I'm doing legs, but I don't want to do. It does matter.
Okay,
What happened?
You can come over here. I don't know how I'm supposed to take this. Maybe you just take the one brownie. I don't think they're gonna come out. Maybe they're still too warm. I think we have to leave them for a little bit. I think we have to leave them, okay?
Me so?
Yes.
This
did not work out. They're completely cooled.
So if you swing that bedroom door open real fast, you're not gonna make my bedroom door.
I've gotten a few out, but see even
Pop
here.
that one open real quick.
This did not work out. Oh, there we go. A little bit.